Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my super battle droid from Star Wars, of course. Here it is. So yes, if you make it right, the model will stand just like that, if you can see. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So, first you need a square sheet paper like this. And you're going to start out with a bird base, okay? So first you want to fold it in half, just like that. And then you want to fold it in half again, like so. And then you want to open up this pocket and then fold that down, just like that. And then you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right there and fold that down as well, okay? And now where you see the open side right here, you want to fold that edge right here, this two edge, down to this center crease line, okay? Just like that, and same thing here as well. Like so, okay? And now, you see this triangle on top leaning against this edge right here. You want to fold that whole triangle down, just like that. Make a crease right here around the edges. And now you want to unfold all those steps. And now you want to take that top layer right here and fold it right up to this crease line on top, okay? So you want to fold that crease line right there. Okay, just like that. And now you want to fold the side crease line right here. And same thing on the bottom right there. Bringing this whole edge to the center line. So you want to make sure that that edge lines up with the center. So fold the side crease line and make sure they all line up as well. Okay. So same thing on this side, the other side as well. So you see this crease line right there, and it follows all the way down to this point right there. So you want to fold that crease line, and you want to make sure this edge right here lines up with the center as well, okay? Just like that. And now you want to do the same thing on the other side. So you want to flip it over, and you want to take that top layer and fold that top crease line right there, okay? Just like that. And now you see the side crease line that we folded before right here. You want to fold that in, and you want to make sure this edge lines up with the center, okay? And same thing on this side as well. So you see this crease line right there. You want to fold that crease line down, and then you want to make sure this edge lines up with the center crease line as well, okay? And now you want to bring these corners right here to that center point right there, that center line. And you can kind of use this point right here. So you want to fold that at the same spot, and that'll be kind of a guide to get this parallel to the center line, okay? So don't fold it all the way down, but get that to that same center and bring those corners right to that center line and kind of lean it against this edge, so that'll be kind of a guidance. Okay, same thing on this side as well. Okay, unfold that and just make sure this is parallel to the center. Seems about right. Okay, and then you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. So leaning against the one in the back, you want to bring this corner on the side to that center point right there. Okay, make sure it's all even and fold that down as well. Okay, same thing here. So bring this corner, of course, to that center point. And now you're going to open the side right there and kind of close this up like that. Okay, so what you want to do is take this piece, kind of flip that over, and same thing on the back, take the same side right here and flip that over. So you should see this. Okay, now you can see these are the arms, the head, and the legs. Okay, now you're going to fold down these arms just like that, and same thing here. Bring this whole arm all the way down. Okay, and now for the leg, you see the top leg folded off to the side like so, and you see the back portion right here, the back leg, the back piece, yeah, and you want to fold that to the other side. Okay, kind of flip it over the other direction. And now you want to open up this pocket right underneath and kind of, and then fold this in half. Okay, kind of bring this towards the center. Okay, so you want to open up this pocket and fold down on that. Okay, same thing on this side as well. So you want to flip it over to the other side, open up this pocket underneath right here, then fold that down. Okay, so it should look like this. So it should be same on both sides, but yeah. Okay, now you want to fold down the legs all the way down to the center. So it should look like this. Okay, so there should be an edge here. Line that up with the center crease line, okay? And there should be a slant on the other side. Okay, so if you look right here, it's this edge here. Okay, so bring this side all the way down as well. Just like that. So it should look like some kind of bird, I guess. And now you're going to fold this piece in half. So you're gonna fold it, you're gonna bring this edge and kind of line it up with the center, okay? So you're gonna fold right here, okay? So bring that towards the center, just like that, okay? And try to make sure it's parallel. Same thing on this side, so fold this piece in half right here in the middle, okay? And then for the leg, for the feet, you wanna open up this pocket right on the side, fold that out, just like that, and fold it to the other side, okay? And then kind of angle it so this bottom of the feet is flat. Kind of move that towards the side, just like that. And same thing here. On the outside, you will see this pocket. You want to fold that out, just like that. Then fold it inward to the other side and make sure it's even with the other leg. And fold this out to the side like that, okay? And now you want to fold this arm down, so open up this pocket on top, then you want to kind of fold that downward like so, and then you want to do the same thing and fold this in half, so fold right here, okay? And you see where this corner is right there, you want to zigzag fold right around there, so kind of open that up a little bit and zigzag fold right there, so fold that up, then close it back up and kind of drag it down a little bit. And then you see where this corner is, right there. You want to zigzag fold right there for the arm, okay? So fold that in and fold it back down. And then you see that point, just open up this pocket and fold that point right inside. Okay, and for the other arm, you want to fold that out like that. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half. So you want to bring this bottom edge right up to this really short top edge right there. Okay. It might get pretty uneven right there, but just fold that down accordingly. Okay, then kind of unfold that just a little bit. then fold that triangle back, then bring that point right up to this edge, then close it back up and fold it back, fold the arm back up, just like that. And then you see where this corner is right there, so you're going to make a little water bomb base right there. So you're going to pinch, you're going to fold that arm where that corner is, and you're going to fold in those corners. Okay, just like a water bomb base. So kind of pinch that in a little bit to form the arm. And kind of straighten that out afterward. And you're going to fold this front square piece in half for the arm. So if you see right here, I mean for the hand, right there. So kind of get underneath that triangle and fold that whole front piece in half and fold it downward. Okay. Okay, now for the head right here, you want this edge and you want to fold that edge right up to these corners right there. Then midway, you want to fold this edge towards the center crease line. Okay, so it should look like this. So bring this edge toward, so make a line going from this corner to that corner, so right here, or you can, I guess, make a crease line like that. So bring this edge towards this crease line, then about midway bring the same edge towards the center crease line. Okay, just like that. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, just like that, and just fold in a little bit of that tip. Okay. And here is your origami super batter joint. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.